Hello PowerPoint users and welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to create this beautiful infographic using PowerPoint and Adobe Illustrator. So let's get started. First in Adobe Illustrator, let's first start by inserting a new artboard of 16:9 ratio. Select the 1920 by 8010 pixel preset and then click on Create. Now select the rectangle tool and draw a shape as per design requirement. Next select the top right and bottom right corner points holding down Shift key and drag it towards center to round up the right side edges. Now drag this shape holding down Alt key to create the duplicates and create total of 5 such rectangle shapes. Make sure all shapes are equally spaced. Next again select the rectangle tool and this time draw a small rectangle shape. Make sure it is centrally aligned to the middle big rectangle shape. Once done, again create total of 5 such rectangle shapes by duplicating or dragging it holding down Alt key. All these small rectangle shapes must be equally spaced from each other and then align them as per design requirement. Next select the pen tool and then draw the connecting shapes between each pair of rectangle shapes as shown by clicking on corner anchor points. Now drag and select all these shapes, change its fill color and then remove its outline. Finally, go to File menu, select Export and export as. Let me save this design on desktop. Let's select the file type as SVG, very important. Then select Export option and then click on OK. Now we will import this SVG into PowerPoint for further design. So now we are into PowerPoint. Let's go to Insert tab, select Pictures and then choose Insert Picture from this device. Select our previously exported SVG design file and then insert it. Reduce its size, align it centrally to slide and then click on Convert to Shape option to make each design element selectable. Next again go to Insert tab and then choose the circle shape and then draw a circle as shown. Select all the shapes and align it centrally to slide. Now change the shape of each colors using eyedropper tool and color palettes and make sure to apply darker shade color to first 2 shapes and bit lighter shade color to rightmost shape. That looks good so far. Next right click on the circle and choose Format Shape. Remove its outline, change its fill color to white and then under Effects section, apply Inner Shadow Effect with light green color. Adjust the blur and transparency values until we get desired shadow effect. Next duplicate the circle shape using Ctrl+D, change its fill color to dark grey and then remove its inner shadow effect. Next choose the Soft Edges option and increase its value to get the blur effect as shown. That looks perfect. Now increase its size, bring the original circle shape to the front and place this blur circle shape at the back to get the beautiful shadow effect. We can adjust the transparency value to make this shadow effect bit lighter. Next go to Insert tab and then draw a rounded rectangle shape. Remove its fill color, change the outline color to white and then reduce its weight as shown. Now drag this shape holding down Ctrl and Shift keys to create the duplicates and place it on each rectangle shape. We will also duplicate the circle shape, reduce its size and align it inside the rectangle shape as shown. Reduce the blur value of inner shadow effect to make it more realistic and then create duplicates to place them on each rectangle shapes as shown. Finally, add all text fields and PNG icons and then delete the color palettes. So here is the final preview of this beautiful infographic design. Hope you all liked it. Please don't forget to like, share and comment on this video. Stay tuned for next tutorial.